So here we are. Let me just set the camera. Osama, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, you are fine.
Yeah, I'm also fine. Right now we are in Sharafia and we dropped off one colleague here, and the thing is that Osama, how's the image quality? How's okay? Little bit blurry or what?
No, this is a view to
Opposite. Okay,
opposite.
yeah.
Why?
No worry. Actually, the problem is when I was setting the camera, I will have to rotate it in the
So after to video ya post or
in the editing. I'll have to turn it upside down. But these are the streets of Sharafia here in Riyadh. Sama, how's this?
Battery.
Not enough battery?
Second battery.
Yeah, I'll charge it
Maybe
once we go
first
there.
is good, but second.
Once we go to the Magha, I will charge it. So right now we are gonna go to the Magha to have some tea. Sama, we could have gone from there, but what's this written, Osama? Baba?
Yes, Baba.
Yeah. Tight, narrow streets, old homes. See, there's a cooler, and we are roaming around in the streets of Sharafia. Should we take this one? I think. Yeah, let's go from here.
Maybe near,
Oh, this is
near
one
Gopal.
where. Yeah,
Near
this is one where. Yeah.
Rashid home.
No, this is the one opposite to, I think, Magha. Magha is over there.
Oh, yes,
So
yes.
yeah, we'll come back from the U-turn. Come on. Sama, what's the most difficult place that you have driven in here in Riyadh?
Riyadh city is very difficult city.
In itself it is, but any certain place, I'll tell you one as well.
Okay.
Or you want me to tell first?
Oh, no, you tell me.
It was Manfuha.
Manfua?
Yeah.
Yes, Batta maybe.
Manfuha,
Batta is
because
very
there was
difficult.
a lot of traffic from every side, and it was jam packed, and there's a very high risk.
What opinion, Batta?
Batta is sort of more organized than Manfuha.
And Shamesi.
Shamesi is no, Batta and Shamesi are also difficult. Sama, what would you like? Gahwa or tea?
Kadak tea.
Kadak tea. Yes, that's what we like.
Maybe here
Something happened with these guys
but
over
not,
here.
Alhamdulillah.
Oh, okay, Alhamdulillah, things are fine. So we are not gonna get a parking here at the Magha.
Not possible.
Not possible. Okay, let's go ahead.
We'll check its last.
Here? No, not even here.
Not here.
Oh, can we park here? No. Should we not park here?
Yes.
Let's park here then, Osama. That's a good option.
Yes.
So guys, okay, we'll meet you inside the Magha. Here we are inside the Magha. The things are relatively calm here, but well, we ordered Kadak tea, and Osama went to the Bakala opposite side of the road to get some biscuits.